Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader and in this video we are taking a look at Meta stock. So, quite a deep red candle today. Does this make now the structure of Meta bearish or are we still bullish? Can we continue higher up from here? What are the levels to watch? What type of trades that could be taken on this going in next week? We'll talk about all of that in this video. Before going further, I also want to let you know none of this is any financial advice. It's only for education purposes. Please do your own thing. I'm just sharing here my opinion, nothing more than that. A red day, right? However, my day trading bot still came out profitable on Meta. You can see today also we had a profitable day. And you can see the data on the left side, last 30 trades, and yeah, quite good green on Meta as well. So if you need access to my tools, links are in the description below. I have 2 indicators and 2 trading bots, and pretty much most of it you already see it on my videos as you know what these indicators and bots are. But if you need more information on what they are, links, you will follow the links in the description below, and those links will take you to the information what these 2 indicators and 2 bots are. Okay, cool. All right, now let's go to the daily interval first and let's talk about that. A red candle, but we are still above 20 days moving average, and not just above 20 days moving average, we are also still above the previous pivot. We still have higher low and still have a higher high. This current high pivot hasn't really formed a lower pivot that is below the previous pivot. That's not the case. We are still in an uptrend technically, higher highs, higher lows. So the previous area that I talked about, this was the level I gave you, 494 or 495 almost. I said that this is the level to watch. This is where a pivot has to form. It will be over here, and then things can be played to the upside with the stop loss on the other side. I gave you another level as well in case 20 days moving average and this level of 495 would have broken. Then the next level of support was 482 to see if this continues to hold up there. So, but we went up from the above one of the levels that I was mentioning about. Now from here, yes, we went up, and as per the rules of trading, take profits in the extensions, and if on the lower time frame this pullback at one of the significant level, as long as the pivot would form higher than the previous pivot, those pullbacks, when you see on the lower time frame patterns like double bottom forming, consolidation forming, and things like that, then you can try to play back again to the upside. So in this particular case, as long as we are above 20 days moving average, you are watching now the level of 502. If this level holds on the lower time frame, this would be the place to play the long again with the stop loss. In this case, it could be below 20 days moving average, anywhere stop loss. Structure on Meta will only break to the cool off side or to the downside if Meta loses 495 and lower. If it does that, we can come down to 50 days moving average, and I would say down to the 482. So that would be the zone to watch, but otherwise no. If we stay above 502 on the lower time frame, if we see consolidation support, that would be the area to carefully watch. Let me actually mark this area with the red line as well, and let's go to the lower time frame. Let's see what's going on there. All right, so it's right at very close to that 200 hours moving average as well. Guys, this is quite a deep red candle on Meta last hour, so just be careful. Okay, this is quite a deep candle. Whenever this is a supply zone pretty much, right? So intraday, you gotta be careful at the level of 510, just because this candle is so strong that any rebound first time would see a rejection at this level of 510. And then if it comes lower and you see it find support at 200 hours moving average with the above level 502 and 20 days moving average, we'll have to see a double bottom on hourly interval for a strong confirmation back again to the upside. If it holds double bottom here, starts to go up, and then if it breaks again above 510 or even the level of 508, that's a little bit of a stronger break back to the upside that we might see back again upside. Okay, otherwise, yeah, This is, yeah, looking at hourly interval, this is quite a deep sell-off, but you have the level to watch. You will need to see a pattern form before playing it continuous to the upside with the stop loss on the other side. There is no questions asked regarding stop loss. You need to have a stop loss, period. All right. There is no talking yourself out of stop loss. That has to be there at the structural change. All right. So yeah, that's Meta. Do I think that it's going to continue much lower? Well, guys, it's all about the levels and the structure. It doesn't matter what I think right now. It's all about what the price action is telling me. Okay. And so price action, if it holds, it has to hold in this zone. I told you what you have to look for on the lower time frame if this level has to hold. And yeah, otherwise, if those levels break, some cool off next zone would be, down to that 50 days moving average area. All right, so yeah, as for right now, the structure is overall, all in all, is still bullish on Meta. All right, now what else? Let's pop on the short volume percent as well on Meta, and let's do that. Yeah, I just want to see if there's anything, do we have to give importance on Meta to short volume percent? Well, today's data will come in the evening. If you have access to my tools, you can plug and play on your own. Yeah, no, I'm not seeing anything much, like not a huge spike, no. And now it's just normal right now, so no, we don't have to worry about that too much. All right, and yeah, I'll talk about QQ and SPY as well later in a separate video. And let's go to the 4 hours interval as well, guys. I'm gonna go through all the levels with you guys here. Yep, no, there's nothing different in the price action. Yeah, you have to see that confirmation as I mentioned on the hourly interval. I just wanted to see if there's something outlying on the 4 hours, but no. Just stay with the 1 hour and the daily interval on Meta. All right, that would be it. Is there any news going on for Meta? All right, well, let's see what this says. Meta Platforms is attracting investors' attention. Here's what you should know. Okay, well, this is Zax. I don't like to go through Zax because they're just a very algorithmic driven language they have. Sorry, guys, sorry to waste your time. Market chatter, Google. TikTok ban done global ads. Well, let's see what this is. Google and TikTok have prohibited done global from advertising on their platforms until the telehealth company regains the required third-party certification. So the telehealth company is also advertising on Meta platform. A spokesperson for Meta told Wall Street Journal that Done, but they should have had better name. Done could continue to run ads that promote a service but not prescription drugs. All right, well, Meta is taking advantage of the market right now. It's like, okay, good, Google and TikTok can ban it. All their ads will come to us. So, all right, anyways. Guys, oh, yes. Also, if you are interested to follow along with me on my dividend investing journey where I'm building this public facing portfolio, all the updates I post on this another channel, link to this channel you will find in the description below. If you want to follow along with the dividend investing journey of mine, feel free to follow this link, this channel. You can subscribe to it as well. Please like some videos as well. All right. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. And if you found it helpful, valuable, hit the like, subscribe. I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.